Hello and welcome to Mentoring the Mentors, an institute that accelerates your learning curve. My dear educators, this is Meenakshi Narula, and I keep you updated with recent circulars by CBSE. So, my dear educators, here you go. Let's talk about another circular by CBSE, circular number 59. As you can see here on the screen, my dear educators, circular number 59, it is related to National Level Awareness Webinar for Physical Education Teachers by NADA. NADA is National Anti-Doping Agency. Doping, you know very well, it's a crime when sports enthusiasts, sportsmen, the students, they take certain drugs, take certain growth hormones, ताकि उनका जो athletic जो performance है that can be enhanced. So NADA, National Anti-Doping Agency, is an autonomous body under the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India. It is responsible for running anti-doping programs in the country. So NADA focuses on the need to inculcate positive values associated with sports and disseminate the same in the classrooms. Sports में हम ये नहीं चाहते हम कि बच्चे एक दूसरे के साथ से आगे बढ़ने के लिए कोई अनफेयर मीन्स यूज करें, कोई ग्रोथ हार्मोन्स, कोई स्टीरॉइड्स, कोई एनर्जी स्टिमुलेटर्स, आई मीन ऐसी चीजें कोई यूज करे वो हम नहीं चाहते. तो इसलिए क्लासरूम से ही राइट फ्रॉम द वेरी बिगिनिंग उनमें स्पोर्ट्समैनशिप की जो स्पिरिट है उसको inculcate करना, to foster that is our responsibility. So NADA's core agenda is to spread awareness in young athletes about sports ethics and fair play. So for that, young athletes in the schools, they are the future sports persons. Therefore, it is important to instill values of fair play at early age. कहते हैं ना, छोटे से बच्चों में हम शुरू से जो आदतें डाल देंगे वो पक जाती हैं, धीरे धीरे दे बिकम लाइफ स्किल्स. अच्छी वैल्यूज जो हम उनको देते हैं, बातें अच्छी सिखाते हैं, ठीक है, तो वो जो संस्कार हैं, जो वैल्यूज हैं, जो वो पूरे पक जाते हैं, वो जिंदगी का हिस्सा बन जाते हैं, वो लाइफ स्किल्स हो जाते हैं. So that's why physical education teachers, they play a very important role in shaping the thought process of these young sports persons. Thus, NADA is working towards anti-doping education of physical education teachers. For this purpose, a national level awareness webinar for physical education teachers is being organized by NADA on 8th of May at 11 a.m. So the link for the webinar it's a Zoom link. So it's given over here, as you can see. So link will be shared in the description box below as well. I'll be sharing the circular link too. Further, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, that is UNESCO, has prepared resources toolkit for value education through sport, which are available at the following link that I'll click and share with you. So all of you, you are requested to disseminate the above information among physical education teachers of your school, of your friends, and direct them to go through the above resources of UNESCO as well. And also attend the webinar to understand the anti-doping program of NADA to spread awareness of fair play and sport ethics. So, ये तो लिंक है ऊपर वाला, तो आप क्लिक कर ही लेंगे तो ज्वाइन कर लेंगे 8th मई को 11 बजे. Let's click on this link. Let me share with you the screen once again. So, I guess the screen is visible to you, dear teachers. So here is the UNESCO link. Value education through sport. So make sure you go ahead with that. Let me share it once again if there is some issue. So here you go, my dear educators. There's a link shared by UNESCO for value education through sport. So innovative education for development. So various resources are there. Make sure you use them. What are sports values? What is the value education through sports that offer? UNESCO has developed several tools. Animated videos are there. Bilingual photo book is available. Advocacy infographics are there. तो आप ऐसे एक्टिविटीज खुद भी करवा सकते हैं ताकि आपके बच्चे एडवोकेसी के लिए जो है अवेयरनेस क्रिएट करने के लिए वो भी इन्फोग्राफिक्स या कुछ पोस्टर्स दे कैन क्रिएट. You can involve them in such activities. वीडियोस दिखा सकते हैं, उनकी वीडियोस खुद बनवा सकते हैं, उनकी छोटी वीडियो बाइट्स लेकर अपलोड कर सकते हैं, राइट? स्पोर्ट्स कैन टीच values such as fairness, team building, equality, discipline, inclusion, perseverance, respect. कितना कुछ सीखते हैं बच्चे। सी हम कहते हैं बच्चे खेल रहे हैं सारा दिन, तुम खेलते रहते हो, तो ये चीजें तो तभी सीखेंगे ना। खेलेंगे, टीम वर्क सीखेंगे, रूल्स को फॉलो करेंगे, रिस्पेक्ट करना सीखेंगे, ठीक है? परसेवरेंस, रिस्पेक्ट, ये सारी चीजें उनमें आएंगी। एंड स्पोर्ट्स हैज अ पावर टू प्रोवाइड अ यूनिवर्सल framework for learning values, thus contributing to the development of the soft skills needed to बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल सिटीजनशिप। सॉफ्ट स्किल्स बहुत जरूरी हैं। आपके 100 में से 100 अंक आए हैं, सॉफ्ट स्किल्स नहीं हैं, किसी काम के नहीं है वो, राइट? 100 में से 80 नंबर लिए हैं, बट सॉफ्ट स्किल्स बहुत अच्छी हैं, ये वैल्यूज है, स्ट्रॉन्ग हैं, यू कैन रॉक। सो दिस इज हाउ what you have to encourage your students to go ahead with that. Do attend this webinar, right, through the given link, and don't forget to explore these resources as well. Stay tuned to Mentoring the Mentors. Have a nice day, my lovely educators.